how to convert your Facebook account into a business page. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can convert our Facebook profile into a business page. So let's just go ahead with the process and look out on how we can do that. First of all, head over and open up the Facebook app in your device and head over to your profile at the top right corner, or you can directly tap on your profile. After that, tap on your profile link. And then you're going to turn on the professional dashboard in order to convert it into a business page. As if you have a professional dashboard, you can follow all of the insights of everything about your business, about your content, about your growth, what is happening on your business, and monetization. So in order to look out for that, you're just going to tap on this three dot beside your profile, and you can find this option called turn off professional mode off on my screen right now. But if you have not turned it on, you can find this here, turn professional mode on instead of off. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on it, and when you go back to your profile, you can find this professional dashboard on your account, and your account should be changed into a page. So that is how you change your account into a business page following those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.